This is how you can use a Marzocco Mini. First thing you should know is you need to always fill the water tank with a filtered water, not from the tap or a Brita. So here's where is your hot water valve, your shot lever, and then your steam wheel. You're going to need a scale because you have manually to stop it on the right yields. You turn your machine and then you pull the valve to the left. When your scale is going to say 35, you're going to stop it. You can see on the top there is the time in here. This is your timing, and then you have to adjust your grind size depending on the recipe you're working on. You can see we have 38 yields in our scale. That means you can use the shot. Last thing you should know, here is your steam wand, and you can always put it back.